Welcome to the Escape Room series, the ultimate challenge of wisdom and common sense. In this series, you'll be put into immersive experiences where your goal is to solve cases and unravel mysteries. Not only are you racing against time, but also against all the other participants to solve the case the quickest. During the game, you have to interact with different objects, decipher codes, solve clues to find the ultimate 4-digit escape code. You will be given a link and a login ID. You have to click on the link and you will arrive at the login page. Put in your login ID to enter the game. After logging in, you should arrive at the welcome page. It is very important for you to read all the 4 instruction slides on the welcome page. It will help you understand how to play the game. When you arrive at the how to play slide, this slide talks about the 2 actions that you will have to carry during the game. First, during the game you will come across different objects. Every object will have a number and a description associated to it. As an action, you can interact with 2 or more objects. For example, if you come across a non-functioning torch and a set of batteries, if you want to interact these 2 objects, that is, put the battery in the torch, you need to add their respective numbers and enter the total in the enter number box. If your interaction and the input number is correct, you will see the result of your interaction. For instance, the torch lights up in this example. Second action is, during the game you will come across a lot of electronic devices, objects, locked doors, etc. If the description of the object says you need to find a 4-digit code to unlock an object, and if you can figure the 4-digit codes out, simply punch in the correct 4-digit code in the enter number box. If the code is correct, the object will automatically unlock itself. In the game, to solve a clue, not only you have to enter the relevant number, but also answer a question. Only if both are correct can you move ahead in your scenario. Remember, to answer a question, you need to simply write the relevant alphabet of the correct option. Please write the alphabet in capital and you need to only write the option alphabet. Example, in the question, if your answer is option B, then simply write capital B in the answer box and press check. If both your number and your alphabet are correct, you will move ahead. Once you've gone through the rules, press the play now button. When you press the play now button, you will be directed to the main game screen. On the left, your timer will begin. On the main game, you will see the relevant picture of the space you are locked in. In the picture, there will be multiple objects which have different numbers on them. These objects are represented below with pictorial representation, a description and a number associated to it. The first step is go through all the description of these objects. Once you go through them, then you are ready to begin your process. Remember, during the game you have to do 2 actions, interacting with objects or figuring those 4-digit codes out. Couple of points to keep in mind. Every wrong answer you give, you get 30-second penalty and your time increases by 30 seconds. In case you get stuck in the game, don't worry. On the top right, we have our hint tab. Press on the hint tab, you will get the solution. However, you will get a massive 5-minute penalty and your time increases by 5 minutes. I hope you have a thrilling experience and are able to unravel the mystery the fastest. Enjoy and good luck.